Okay, I cooked the asparagus for 14 minutes and 22 seconds instead of 10 because although the little guys were done, some of the big guys, still good, needed a little bit more time. But again, depends on how crunchy you like it. I like mine perfect. Yeah, and yes, doesn't matter. It could be in the morning, at night, doesn't matter. I always say that. So yes, am I silly? I am, in case you wondered. So, and let's not forget, you're gonna microwave to reheat these, unless you're gonna eat them all in one sitting. And this is how much of a wedge of parm I shaved off, and this is what's left. And I did come in here to check. This is why I always say to undercook, because especially if you're trying to develop a sauce, you'll definitely get it to 165. So there you have it, 168 or 169. So right on the money. And I basted it for, I don't know, 15 minutes on low. And it's still slightly bubbling, you can see. But I know it's gonna be delish. I've made this probably 6 times before, very similar sauce to this recipe. Although I don't think I used chicken broth previously. I just used like a dry white wine, but the sauce works either way. And I did add 1 full lemon, and I probably used maybe a cup of cream. And then of course I threw in some parm shavings. I definitely threw in probably 6 tablespoons of capers, not the liquid, just the capers. And probably 3/4 of a cup of chicken stock, and the same for Chardonnay. And then I just cooked it off and just kept basting it. And that's it. Hope you enjoy.